Addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. Adding the fractions. How we will add the fraction? For example, the fractions with like denominators, we will directly add them as 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7 because the denominators are equal. We can make it as 1 plus 3 by 7. This is equals to 4 by 7. If the denominator is same, simply we can add the numerators. Okay, and the denominator value will not be changed, that is unchanged. And second case, adding fractions with unlike denominators, for example 1 by 8 and 2 by 3. So we have to rewrite the with the current denominator as, see this one, 3 into 1 by 8, okay, and this one 2 by 3 into 8 by 8. That means we are making the denominator as equal. So it will be converted as 3 by 24 plus 16 by 24. Simple. Since the denominator is equal, we can simply add the numerators without changing the denominator value, that is 19 by 24. Okay. We have to convert the unlike denominators into like denominators. That is the only one key here. Next, adding like fractions. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Just add up the numerators, that's all. Okay. 1 plus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5. As simple as such. Adding fractions with unlike denominators. So what we have to do? Just now we have discussed it. Determine the denominators. Find the LCM, least common multiple. Your least common multiple will become your least common denominator. Okay. And generate equivalent fractions using LCM as the LCD. Add or subtract whatever it is, the fractions. Okay. For example, for 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, the LCM is 12. Okay. So that we will make this as 3 by 12 plus 4 by 12. Okay. That means simply we can add the numerators. 3 plus 4 is equals to 12. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7 by 12. Subtracting the like fractions. As we are adding the numerators for same denominator, similarly we have to subtract when the denominator is the same. For example, we have 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. So since the denominator is same, we can simply subtract 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1, and the denominator will be unchanged, 1 by 4. Okay. So we can subtract like this. Now subtract unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. So again we will make the denominator as common to both the fractions. So we can multiply 2 by 3 into with 4 by 4 and 1 by 4 with 3 by 3. So that the denominator will be equal 8 by 12 minus 3 by 12. Since the denominator is same, what we have to do? We can directly subtract the numerators one from other. 8 minus 3, that is 5. We will look into exercise 7.5. Write these fractions appropriately as additions or subtractions. So the given figure represents the addition of 1 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts, of which only one part is shaded. And 2 by 5. Okay. To get 3 by 5. Because the denominator is same, 1 plus 2. This is 3 by 5. Okay. And compare this picture. The given figure represents the difference between 1 and 3 by 5. So this is totally 1, totally shaded or totally not shaded will be treated as one part. Okay, and for the next one it is 3 parts were shaded. So it is 1 minus 3 by 5, which is equals to 2 by 5. 2 parts were shaded. See this picture. The given figure represents 2 by 6. 2 were shaded and here 3 were shaded out of total 6 parts. Okay. If you can add 5 by 6, this is the resultant because 5 were shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 were shaded. So this is 5 by 6. So this is the addition. Second problem, solve 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. Because they have same denominator, we will directly add 1 plus 1. This is equals to 2 by 18. And further by cancellation, the value will become as 1 by 9. Problem number B. 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Because we have common denominator, we can add directly the numerators. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11 by 15, which will not be further cancelled or simplified because they don't have the common factors except 1. For 11 and 15 they don't have common factors. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7 is simply 7 minus 5 by 7 because they have, tell me, common denominator. This is equals to 2 by 7. Next one, 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. That means 1 plus 21 by 22, which is equals to 1. Next, 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. That means 12 minus 7 by 15, that is equals to 5 by 15. And further simplification, it will become as 1 by 3. Okay. Next, 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Since the denominator is equal, 5 plus 3 by 8 is equals to 8 by 8, which is equals to 1. Next, 1 minus 2 by 3 of 1 is equals to 3 by 3, right? Here we can write this 1 as a 3 by 3 because to get the common denominator. So 1 we can write as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. That means we can directly subtract 3 minus 2 by 3. This is equals to 1 by 3. Okay? Students, how quickly you can do the mathematics will, okay, that depends upon your practice. So practice as many as problems. Try to solve as many as sums. Next, 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. This means 1 plus 0 by 4, this is equals to 1 by 4. Next, 3 minus 12 by 5. That means 3 by 1, we can write it as, and 12 by 5. Taking 5 as LCM, 3 into 5 minus 12 into 1. Okay, so 15 minus 12, which is equals to 3 by 5. Here we have taken the LCM. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped him and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? So what we have to do? We have to add these two fractions. Fraction of wall painted by Shubham is 2 by 3 and Madhavi painted 1 by 3 part of the wall. So to get the fraction of wall painted by both Shubham as well as Madhavi is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, this is equals to 1. Thus, the fraction of wall painted by both is totally 1. Okay. Fill in the missing fractions. 7 by 10 minus dash is equals to 3 by 10. The difference between 7 by 10 and dash is 3 by 10, right? So the missing fraction here we have to write is 7 by 10. We can fetch this number from this place to here. Okay, 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10. So the value is 7 minus 3 because they have common denominator. We can directly subtract. So 4 by 10. By further simplification, it will become as 2 by 5. So this blank is 2 by 5. Next, blank minus 3 by 21 is equals to 5 by 21. So what we have to do here, the missing fraction can be this 3 by 21 minus 3 by 21 will go here. It will become as 5 by 21 plus 3 by 21, that is 8 by 21. Therefore, the missing fraction is 8 by 21. Okay, minus 3 by 21 will go there to become as plus 3 by 21. Next, blank minus 3 by 6 is equals to 3 by 6. So what we have to do? We have to add 3 by 6 plus 3 by 6. Because this 3 by 6 will come here, become as plus. Therefore, the missing fraction is equals to 3 by 6 plus 3 by 6. This is equals to 6 by 6, which is equals to 1. So the missing fraction is 1. Next, blank plus 5 by 27 is equals to 12 by 27. So the sum of blank and 5 by 27 is equals to 12 by 27. Therefore, the missing fraction is 12 by 27 minus 5 by 27. This 5 by 27 will come here and become as minus. Here it has plus as sign, and when it comes here it will become as minus. Since common denominator we have, it is 12 minus 5 is equals to 7 by 27. So the missing fraction is 7 by 27. Fifth question. Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So what we have to do? We have to subtract. See, the fraction of basket as a whole can be taken as 1. Yes, it is 1 unit. So the fraction of a basket of oranges left is 1 minus 5 by 7. Okay, because 1 can be written as 1 by 1, we can take LCM as a 7. So 1 into 7 cross multiply. 1 into 7 minus 1 into 5. So 7 minus 5, this is equals to 2 by 7. So the required fraction is 2 by 7. With this, we have completed this exercise. Thank you.